In this section, we will learn how to create the database for our bookstore website project. As I'm going to show you how to create a MySQL database schema called bookstore.db. This is just the database names for the bookstore website. Also, I will show you how to create the 7 tables as per the database requirement. The tables: users, category, book, customer, review, book order, and other detail. One interesting thing is that you will learn how to create the database using 3 different ways. The first way is by using MySQL Command Line Client program. The second way is by running script in MySQL Workbench.